Okay, so I'm about to show you the easiest way to raise your microphone volume level. So on your PC, you want to go to this search button on the bottom and you want to type control panel and you want to open control panel. And then once control panel is open, go to hardware and sound, go to manage audio devices under sound. So go to manage audio devices. And when this tab comes up, go to recording, double click your microphone. See, mine is yours is gonna show at the top like mine is here. Is your default device. So just double click that. Once this pops up, go to levels and make sure your microphone volume is at 100 and make sure your microphone boost is at well, for my headset 30, like I put it to max volume on the microphone boost, but you can adjust it from uh 10 and going on to 20 and so forth, or you can just max it out to get the loudest volume possible, depending on your headset and the microphone level on yours. You can level it out here, but I put this to max volume and it helped my microphone a lot. So yeah, if this helped you, please leave a like and comment and subscribe for more content.